Today we are going to discuss about the topic in Hindu paper. Let's go to the topic. Scandalizing as content. We know that meaning of scandalizing is appearance or behaving against moral values, like behaving against the social values or moral values. And contempt means feeling that a person is worthless. Now let's go to the topic. The initiation of proceedings for the criminal contempt to court against a lawyer activist Prashant Bhushan. Yeah, here the topic is about the criminal and about the behavior of a court against any criminal acts. And here the criminal police or against activist Prashant Bhushan. And here, Bhushan has once again brought under focus the necessity of retaining the law of contempt as it stands. Here, the meaning of here retaining means retaining means like again bringing in the focus of in media. And like in an era in which social media or full of critics, like we know that in social media there are full of critics, and like who will criticize us and who will even comment, or any other observers like who will watch and who deem it necessary. The meaning of deem is like who will see in a specified way. Like if we take a case, like they will see in a specified way. And here and the reviews in many unrestrained and unlimited. The higher judiciary has not really been expecting in the time of energy invoking power to punish the contempt for itself. Yeah, then the higher judiciary is not really expanding the time. It's not taking that much time to decide whether to punish the accused or not. And next, while it may be not reasonable to expect that the courts should ignore even allegations or innuendo. Innuendo means, so the meaning of innuendo means suggestion. Even the court should also the court should never leave the suggestions or like allegations, because each and every piece must be considered in giving a judgment on others. And there is much wisdom in giving a wide latitude for public voice criticism and strident questioning to the court's way and decisions. Mr. Bhushan is not a stranger to art of testing the limits of judicial tolerance in criticism. Yeah, even Mr. Bhushan has many times went to the judge into the court, and also even he also went until the limits, and he also saw. So it is not that much special for him. And next. The latest proceedings concern two tweets by him. One, a journal comment on role of some chief minister of India in last 6 years. Like he also made made some tweets on the prime ministers and chief ministers in the last 6 years. And the other is targeting the current CGI based on photography. Like he also made a tweet on targeting the current CGI who like on the photo on his photography. And the next one is uh, like uh, what would be more judicious, ignoring adverse remarks or seeking to make an example of some principal errors of such criticism to protect the institution. Here, the origin of dilemma lies in the part of contempt law. The criminal says that scandalizes or tends the scandalize the judiciary of lower court authority. It may be reviews the clause. Yeah, here the if there may some misbehavior by him, right? Right, by doing some tweets. So they have to this must be taken to the higher courts. This must be taken to the higher courts, and they have to revisit the case again. And here, if you would disagree, the contempt power is needed to punish willful or disobedience to court orders. Yeah, there'll be some supporters and there'll be some haters towards the Prashant Bhushan, and like they will be somewhat disobedience to the court's order. Like if they gave if they Prashant Bhushan, like the left, his haters may be disobedience to the court law, and if he's who like him, if they made a crucial punishment on Prashant Bhushan, then they may be again they may. And here the reason why the concept of content. And here next we'll go to that. like there will be some invoked, like there will be some like there will be so many like there will be some so many threats for the judges also. And here the reason why the contempt of court exists is to insulate the institution in clearly reputation in the public eye. However, it has been recognized by jurists that each time the offense of scandalizing the court or lowering the court's authority is invoked. And here like even here in some situations, like revoke means like to support an argument. So even though if there was a mistake of the person like who did wrong, like he will be somewhat what can I say, like he will not be that much punished by the people, punished by the people. So even the judge also will be supporting him. And like even if the against person, the dangerous person, or participated in any other things, like in those times, like he will be that much, like he should not like in that time also, like the judges will be supported, the judges will be like they'll be always supporting to the this type of people. So next, some tend to believe that the court has something to hide. It was believed, like in some situations, like the court will also hide some things, like even though yeah, there will be somewhat injustice also sometimes in some cases, but not in all. And it was believed that in 18th century England, that it was necessary to be impartial and universally thought so that the blaze of glory around judges would stay undiminished. So here the meaning of blaze is like a very large. So like a large goal, like a large park around the judges would stay undiminished. However, the content doctrine fell into disuse. The doctrine means a principle or a policy of a government. So here, like there will be some issues, and there will be some diseases by the judges. So they have to manage this all, and they should even like they should even give for the people. They should even also give justice for the people. And here, however, the content doctrine fell into disuse, and England abolished the offense of scandalizing the court. Here even like the people of England, or in England, they also went near like they also what do you say, like they even stood against the like even like there'll be some disgusting things which will be done in court. So England has abolished all this type of things. And even in contemporary times, it is more important that courts are seen to be concerned about accountability. The allegations are scotched by impartial props rather than threats or contempt actions. So here, like there will be some impartial, like there will be some harmful, or there will be some like them disgusting things. So like even the court, the court is somewhat concerned about this all. And even the judges are not even expert to disclose. So even we should not even disclose any other case without a proper investigation. So we have to, like here the courts must be should not disclose any case without a proper investigation. And like even the judges should not be like there will be some harassments with the women's right. So like they should not like when the say woman was like the woman was targeted by harassing, the judges must not leave by being afraid of the other people. So they have to stand, and they have to do justice for this type of society. Thank you.